Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be creating this glowy and dewy engagement makeup look which works on pretty much all skin types, especially if you're an oily skinned person and want that glowy bridal makeup look, then please do continue watching. So first up, I'm priming my skin using the Fit Me Dewy and Smooth primer. By the way, I'm using mostly affordable products in today's video to create this tutorial so that it's easily accessible to pretty much the majority of you guys. So this is a very nice smoothing and dewy finish primer which I absolutely love on all skin types. Next, I'm going to fill in my brows using my favorite Pack Brow Definer Kit. So I'm using those two middle brown shades and just defining my brows. And now I'm color correcting my pigmentation using the Pack Cosmetics Take Cover Orange Color Corrector. I think it's called a Rustic Pumpkin. So that's the shade I'm using to color correct all of my spots and pigmentation. And I'm using a damp beauty blender to blend it out. Now this is the main important product that gives you that glass skin and also is very long wearing, especially for oily skin types. So this is the Tear Cushion Foundation. It's a bit expensive, but it's totally worth splurging, especially for your big day. So that's why I've included this. It's kind of high end, but yeah, you cannot achieve this kind of a finish and long wearing makeup with any other product. You see that difference? It's very high in coverage, very dewy, and just sticks so beautifully on the skin and really is very long wearing. I'm also gonna do the other side of my face using the same cushion foundation. The shade I'm using here is 37C, which is a slightly darker shade once it oxidizes, but then with a full face of makeup it does work for my skin tone. It's a very high coverage foundation, so I'm covering up my dark circles as well here. To highlight a bit, I'm using the Mars Cosmetics Cancel Concealer in the shade 07. Again, this is a very affordable yet a very high performance concealer, and I'm just applying that on the high planes of my face and underneath my brows to define and chisel and highlight my face, and blending it out using a Mars concealer brush here. It's a very full coverage product again, and I love it from the affordable category. Now to contour my skin and to bronze up a little bit, I'm using my favorite e.l.f. Cosmetics Liquid Cam Contour slash bronzer in the shade Deep Intense, a perfect chocolatey warm brown color, and applying that on the contours of my face wherever I need that depth and dimension. And then I'm gonna blend it out like so. Next, I'm using this Simply Nam blush. It's the satin soft blush tint in the shade Geet, which is like this corally pink shade, and I felt like it would go very well with this makeup look, especially the shade. So I'm using this particular shade. It's a very dewy and satiny finish kind of a blusher. With the kind of dewy makeup that I'm creating here, it goes on really well and gives that smooth and beautiful color to my cheeks. Now to add some more glow, I'm using the Mars Cosmetics Glow Fly Highlighter in the shade Winged Champagne, another incredible product from Mars Cosmetics. It's literally like a dupe for the iconic highlighters. So yeah, I'm using that on the high planes of my face to add more glowy and dewy juicy effect to my skin and blending it out. It's very finely milled, so it's not gonna emphasize any texture, just add that glassy dewy finish. Now to set, I'm using my favorite K Beauty loose setting powder in the shade Latte. I'm baking very slightly and gently because I don't want to mattify my skin entirely, so I'm just focusing the T-zone and the under eyes, and for the rest of the face I'm using a very light layer of the loose powder to set the other parts of my face. For eyeshadow, I'm using the Simply Nam Dawn to Dusk eyeshadow palette. I'm picking up that warm brown matte eyeshadow and applying that on the crease and creating sort of like a transition. The eye makeup is going to be very simple and easy, and yet a beautiful look for engagement. Next, I'm taking this pink champagne sort of a foiled eyeshadow and applying that on the entire eyelid except the corners of the eyelids, and then defining my lower lash line using the same brown eyeshadow. And now for liner, I'm using one of my favorite liquid liners, especially a pen one. This is from NYX Cosmetics, their Epic Ink eyeliner. It's jet black, very easy to apply, pretty much smudge proof. So I'm creating a nice liner and a tiny baby wing. To finish off the eye makeup, I'm using my favorite elf cosmetics lash extender mascara. It's a tubing mascara, so it's gonna be waterproof and very easy for you to remove as well. So layering a lot of mascara on my top lashes and slightly on my lower lashes as well. Now I'm going to add a bit of powder highlighter as well to amplify the glow. This is from Forever Cosmetics. So I'm just applying that to the high planes of the face to add that dewy glossy finish, because we have powdered the base down, so I want the glow to kind of come from within. So adding a powder highlighter really helps. Next, I'm using another blush on top of the liquid blush. That way the blusher is gonna be very long wearing. This is my favorite blush from K Beauty. The shade is soft nude, literally goes beautifully on all skin tones and pretty much with any makeup look. Now, before applying my lipstick, I wanted to sort of fix my makeup and set it using the Pack Cosmetics makeup fixer. It's a dewy finish makeup fixer which really melts in all the powder and your makeup, makes your makeup look like a second skin, and also add a bit of dewy healthy radiant finish to your makeup. So it's a very good product to achieve that glass skin effect while also setting your entire makeup in place. So I'm just allowing that to dry because it does take a bit of time to dry. So I'm using a hand fan. And then to line my lips, I'm using the Elf Cosmetics lip liner in the shade Cocoa, and really lining my lips and slightly overdrawing a little bit. For lipstick, I'm using this Mars Cosmetics Popstar Liquid Matte lipstick in the shade Gilded, which is such a stunning, sort of like a warm mauve shade, especially for brown and dusky skin tones. This is such a beautiful bridal kind of a color, and with a dark brown lip liner, it looks amazing. So I'm just applying that and slightly using my fingertips to kind of make it look a bit more lived in and blurry. One final step is adding this makeup fixer from L'Oreal. It's their 3-second fixing mist, and this is just gonna make sure that your entire makeup is completely set and doesn't budge, because it's a glass finish makeup. So it's very essential for you to use a great fixer like this one to fix everything in place and not move and budge. So this is the final finished engagement makeup look with a glassy dewy finish. You can do this for oily skin as well. It will last very long. But I absolutely enjoyed creating this engagement makeup look. I hope you all enjoyed it too, and I shall see you guys soon in my next one. Bye.